On every 15th November, every year we do the fruit mixing, and it is done all by the guest. And for few of the guests, it's a lifetime experience. They enjoy a lot, we enjoy a lot. Whatever we have soaked this year will be used for next year's Christmas cake.
On behalf of Baywatch, we are doing this cake mixing ceremony for the 11th year in succession on 15th of November each year. The whole process, I'm sure, has been explained by our corporate chef, Mr. Anshu Bhatnagar. So, wish you a happy festive season ahead.